Oh, hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Where's the best lighting? I don't know. The sun's like coming in from behind, but I'm gonna record this way, I think, regardless. So, I popped some curls in my hair for today. You kind of can't even tell, it just looks sloppy, but I have my hair pulled back in this little clip today. I have this little tank top on that I actually made. It's this is embarrassing, but it's actually a pair of leggings. I seen that trend on TikTok. I don't know if you've seen it yet, but when they like flip the leggings and you put your arms through them, and then I just cut the legs off completely and just made this little tank top. It still needs some reshaping. Don't come for me, but we're gonna work on that. So we're heading to work. I only have like 2 clients today, so it's gonna be really quick, and then we have the whole rest of the day to just get some things done. Outfit of the day for you. I have these like big mom jeans that I actually ripped and cut myself from the thrift store. I made this shirt too, like I said in the car earlier. This is like one of those stupid TikTok trends that are like leggings upside down. It definitely still needs a little bit of love, but it's cute. And then I'm just wearing my old Vans because I thought that they kind of looked cute with the outfit. They just kind of go, you know.
Look at how cute this personalized bottle is. You guys have to go and get your own.
Oh, it's too hot for that. Oh, all right, what's up? So, we just had to pop in Giant Eagle. Giant Eagle? I was just making eye contact with some girl like 3 cars over by accident because I was like just looking at where I was. But anyway, we had to go to Aldi's real quick because I wanted to pick up, we wanted to make ham barbecue tonight for dinner. I just thought that would be so good. So, don't mind how sweaty my face is. Oh my God. Can't say any? Just because I forgot this before I took off my mask. I never forget this, but I think because I'm recording I forgot. But anyways, yeah, had to run into Aldi's so that we could get ham for later so that we could have our ham barbecue. I have the rest of everything at home, but I did want to get some more ingredients for salads and stuff because we're almost all out and I wanted to have a salad today. But look at what I found. Look at this. You have to see. Wait. I have never seen this. It's Chobani oat milk, chocolate oat milk. Add it, drink it, pour it, mix it. That's what it says. There's a whole poem on the back of this. Okay, we're not doing that right now. I feel like Starbucks is like just so right. So yesterday, technically, we got free Starbucks because I had $8 on my Starbucks card that I didn't know about, which was exciting. The thing is, Chance doesn't get up until like 1 or 2 p.m. usually because his sleep schedule is so screwed up right now due to like his work and everything. So, oh, I lost a nail, by the way. I busted one. I busted it really, really hard at work today and I lost it. So don't mind how ugly my hand looks. But anyway, yeah, we got free Starbucks yesterday, so we just get it today. But that's my whole point of saying that Chance is sleeping is the fact that like I don't go without him and he doesn't go without me. It's kind of a rule because like I wouldn't want him to have Starbucks in the morning without me. We always have it together, and you know what, later on we plan on cleaning out our cars anyways, so maybe we won't go to Starbucks and we'll just wait till later until we have Channy with us. I think our next move is I haven't had anything to eat all day, so I want to go home and I want to cook. I think I'm gonna get our ham barbecue ready. I might end up doing it in a crock pot. If I don't do it in the crock pot, I'll just like put it in the fridge for later. We'll go from there. So today I woke up at 7:30 and it's 12:36 right now. Yeah, 12. Yeah, it's 12:36 right now. So it's like midday and it just feels good being off work this early. So let's get these sunnies on and let's just cruise our way back home and see what we can get ourselves into.